In this video, we'll introduce you to the newest fixture family from Green Creative, the MULTIFIT. The MULTIFIT Downlight series consists of just 10 unique SKUs, including 5 slim wafer-style round downlights, 2 gimbal downlights, and 3 cloud models. Every MULTIFIT luminaire is equipped with our familiar SelectKelvin technology and our latest innovation, DualDim. SelectKelvin is enhanced in the MULTIFIT family, offering a 5-step CCT selector ranging from 2700 to 5000K CCT. This means you can utilize the same fixture in the warmest dining spaces or the most active community fitness centers. Our new DualDim technology offers compatibility with both Triac ELV and 0 to 10 volt dimming systems, again with only one SKU. Site audits and spec crosses are a breeze with MULTIFIT, offered in 10 unique products with selectability and flexibility to provide 100 different combinations of features. From residential to commercial, multifamily to mixed-use buildings, its wide voltage range, selectable CCT, multiple dimming methods, direct ceiling mounting, and ultra-shallow design offer solutions for all your new construction and remodeling projects. The MFR flat round downlight is your classic wafer-style downlight with a 1/2-inch baffle for glare control and a familiar style suitable for any space. Available in 4, 6, and 8-inch sizes, and lumen outputs ranging from 650 lumens to 1850 lumens, the MULTIFIT flat round downlight with its regressed light source is ideal for residential and commercial task lighting, as well as common areas where a discrete and glare-free product is required. The MGR gimbal round downlight is an adjustable downlight for gently sloped ceilings, wall grazing, and highlighting artwork and architectural elements by directing the light where you need it. The MULTIFIT gimbal downlight is able to tilt up to 30 degrees and is available in 4-inch 650 lumen or 6-inch 850 lumen models. Applications include kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, offices, waiting rooms, and wall grazing. The MCR Cloud Round Downlight is designed to add up and side lighting for general area illumination. Available in 4-inch and 6-inch from 650 to 1100 lumens, the MULTIFIT Cloud Downlight is a great option for any common area where smooth and optimal general illumination is required. The MULTIFIT Cloud luminaires also feature a non-conductive outer lens and wet location safety certification designed as a fantastic option for bathroom and shower lighting where dead front construction is required by local electrical codes. The shallow design, along with its IC, airtight, and wet location ratings, allow any MULTIFIT to install virtually anywhere. All that is required is a properly sized round hole in the ceiling surface, no need for an additional junction box or recessed can. Wire the driver to the branch circuit, slide the driver above the ceiling, and use the spring action clips to sit the fixture flush and secure to the ceiling. Whether your project is residential, commercial, mixed use, new construction, or remodel, MULTIFIT from Green Creative allows you to use one luminaire to simplify all phases of the job, from specification to ordering to installation.